Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Scorpios, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energy, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Scorpios. And I also have a special fairy tale pick a card love reading. So that will follow this general energy, guys. If you are interested, stay tuned for that reading, guys. So that will follow this general energy. So let's see what are these cards. We have 5 of Pentacles in reverse, Lovers, and 2 of Pentacles. Scorpios. So, in your situation, guys, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. There are some troubles you are seeing today, guys. Maybe for some of you, it may be financial troubles, or it may be troubles in your health. Maybe this person you love, they have some sickness, or someone from your family, they have some sickness, or some kind of a stressful situation is happening. Or for some of you, you just want to go for that orderly life, maybe being too responsible, maintaining that time. For some of you, you are not going for that. You are simply, feeling disorder around you. You want to, do everything in a proper way, but you are unable to do it. Maybe some stress because of that in your situation, guys. And Scorpios, you are making some important choices today in life, guys, deciding on certain things. Maybe you love this person and you feel really attracted, and you feel that great intimacy you both have, and you are making some important choices today. Maybe you are thinking whether to move forward with this love, make this relationship work, try hard, or maybe step back, take a break. So some important decisions you are making today, guys, Scorpios. And Scorpios, you are also getting something important today, guys. Maybe some news is reaching you, something that is, for some of you, it may be something good, maybe announcing some happiness, announcing a beginning of a new project, or some kind of a positive announcement is coming today. Or for some of you, it may be something bad, guys, but mostly I see a positive news coming, guys. So it is going to be the end of troubles for you all, guys, Scorpios. So whatever bad situation you face till now, all that is going to resolve for you, guys, Scorpios. That is what I see, guys, with these cards. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship first. So it is Wheel of Fortune in reverse. So with this card for your relationship, things are going to go in a much better way in this relationship, guys. You are building that beautiful understanding between each other, and maybe you would have seen some troubles, but that has helped you both to come together more strongly than before, guys. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have 9 of Swords in reverse. So with this card, guys, maybe for some of you, you have some fear or some kind of worry regarding your career situation. Maybe You expected certain things for you, but what you got is something else. So maybe some kind of uh, worries or fear because of that, fear of future. So some kind of stress because of that, guys. Scorpios. So that is the reading, guys, for you all. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that special fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards and it is going to be a special pick a card love reading, fairy tale pick a card love reading. So let's see what is your story. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card, or you can choose with the crystals here. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. I will move this card aside. We will see what is the card for y'all, guys, with this crystal. And what is the card? We have the princess who never smiled, healing. So that is the card for y'all, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So in your situation today, guys, you are healing. Maybe you would have faced some difficult situation in your relationship or in your life. A lot of struggles you had been through and it was quite depressing, and you were really in sadness, grieving. Maybe someone has moved out or some kind of stress. Maybe you would have gone through a breakup, something that was worrying you a lot. But today with this card, the energy is that your grief is coming to an end today, guys. So in your situation, all that grief, troubles or whatever struggles you were facing, it is coming to an end today, guys. And you are going to meet a loving, honest person, kind and compassionate soul who is going to heal your heart, who is going to make you laugh, and all your stress and all your depressing times are coming to an end today, guys. And there are certain positive, unexpected things waiting to unfold for you in your love. So you may find this person, you may not know them before, but you may just find them accidentally, or they may come into your life accidentally, and they are going to heal you all that negative energy that you have, all that sadness and stress, whatever it is, and they are going to make you laugh. And these changes are forever, guys, and it is going to help you for the better. So that is what I see with this card for those who have chosen this first card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card, guys. For those who chose the second crystal and the second card, we have the day boy and night girl, balance. And the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card and this crystal. So today you are moving towards that balance in your life, guys. Maybe you are afraid of that warmth of love or joy that you experience in your relationship, or you are hiding from the darkness, maybe that boredom or stillness you feel. Maybe sometimes we feel stuck, we don't know what to do, that quietness, or some stressful times, maybe some arguments or stress, whatever negative things that are there. So in order to make this relationship flourish, we have to find that balance in our relationship, in our life, guys. Only then we will have that wholeness or completeness in our life. So you need to overcome your fears, and there is someone helping you. Maybe this person you love, they are helping you come out of your fear or whatever stress or whatever you are trying to avoid, maybe, guys. So this is the time for you to give up your fear and start fresh, have that freshness in your relationship. And maybe for some of you, you are healing from your traumatic past. Maybe your childhood days, you would have seen some bad things or some really worrying experiences, but you are coming out of it, you are healing from it, and there is a whole new world right in front of you to explore today, guys. And this person may be helping you out today to experience that happiness or that wholeness in your situation, trying to find that balance and trying to adapt that positive and negative energies we all have within ourselves, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.